Finally, for 2011, there are some meaningful changes to the Polaris Razor. After all of these years of new models like the Razor S, the limited editions, and most recently the 4-seat Razor 4, the little 50-inch Razor that started this whole thing back in 2008 gets a makeover. Well, actually, the whole line of Razors get the mild makeover. Now, the most noticeable is the new look. The front grille has been opened up to give the Razor an almost 30% improvement in total cooling area. There's also revised safety nets for easier use that include bigger snap buckles. Now inside, you'll find a slightly changed dash layout with new sealed switches for the two-wheel drive and all-wheel drive option, as well as a headlight switch that now has both high and low beams. Also new are the analog digital gauges. The single gauge pod now includes a clock, a water temperature gauge, a low battery warning light, as well as the typical speedometer, tachometer, odometer, hour meter, 2 trip odometers, the gear indicator, and fuel gauge. And located under the passenger grab bar is a long overdue sealed storage compartment. Perhaps the best news is that the 50-inch Razor is now equipped with the 55 horsepower HO engine like the Razor S and the Razor 4. For 2011, the engine has a new intake system, combustion chambers, and exhaust, as well as an all-new Bosch fuel injection system. All these changes were made in an effort to improve the low-speed drivability as well as improve the engine's efficiency, and that they do, increasing the range of the Razor by 30%. Along with these changes, Polaris modified the fuel tank with a big screw-off plate for easy access to the sending unit and fuel pump. Also improved for 2011 is better cooling for the clutch and drive belt for added durability. Then to finish off all those changes, there are some new bed extenders to make it easier to carry more gear out on the trail. The good? The engine modifications can be felt, and the power is smoother and more instant right from idle. And hallelujah, finally some inside storage. The bad? We still question the silly foot pocket in the floorboard and wonder why, oh why, can't the Razor have ADC to help it on those downhills? The bottom line, without any competition in the 50-inch side-by-side market, it's nice to see Polaris continuing to refine the Razor.